Good morning, everybody. What are we doing today, Kingston?
Fishing.
Going fishing?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we gonna go? On the boat?
Yes.
Yes! And then what? And then go to the harbor and go some fishing there too?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Let's do it.
See you later.
Hey, where are we going?
Bottom fishing.
Go get those chickens. Go get them.
They will beak me.
They'll beak you?
Yes. If I come near you, you can beak me. See? I'll scare them away.
Hey. Hey. What's up, boys? You will.
Waves are fun. Dad, these waves are fun.
Are they? Are you driving? Ripping! You don't want to see dolphins?
No, I said yes.
Oh, you do? Alright.
I said aha.
Alright, we'll go see them real fast. Come on up. Alright, once it stops going out, we hit the bottom. Oh, you're already on. Alright, our first drop of the day. We got King. Reel it. Get it, buddy. I think you might got one. Reel.
I definitely
Whoa, you got one.
I definitely got.
Get him, bud. Need help?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got. On the Nick stick. Whoa! Triggerfish! Let's get you down here and check it out. Look at them. We got a nice little triggerfish, buddy. You want to touch him?
Yeah.
Look. They call these a triggerfish because there's a trigger right up here. Look, King, you can push that down as hard as you want. You can't do it, but there's a little trigger here that offsets it. They go into the rocks and lock themselves in.
Whoa.
Isn't he cool? Just throw them back.
Go ahead, put them back.
Throw them in.
Nice, King.
We even got our bait still. And we're just using a little Damashi rig. It's got 3 hooks on it on a 20-pound test, and we're just tipping it with some squid. Right, King?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, it's a big one.
Ready? Get it, bud. Hold your rod up here. Here, like this. Go ahead. All right. And then pull back. Reel down on him.
It's a huge one.
Whoa, King. What do you think we got, bud? What? Whoa, he's running.
What is it? Oh, it's another triggerfish.
Oh, we got another triggerfish. You ready?
He's huge.
Oh, it just fell off.
Oh, man.
Nice battle. Here, let me get us a nice piece of squid. Hey, give me that squid. How'd it get on your foot?
I stepped on it.
Like that. Oh, King, you got a bite. Get him, bud. Whoa, he's a fighter. You ready? Get him, King. What do you think it is?
Another one.
Whoa!
Another triggerfish.
Let's check him out.
He's
Ready?
huge.
He's huge. Make
Yeah.
sure you hold on because the boat's rocking. Hear him snapping, King?
Yes.
Hold on, buddy. It's rocking. See? Look at him. Beautiful? Yeah? You said you want to trip, so try and push this down. You can't? Now try and push the small one right here. See? Hear him? Ready to let him go? All right, you hold him just like that. Right there. Squeeze him.
Nice.
What do you think it is? Oh, he's a fighter, buddy. Get him, bud.
Another one.
Yes. Ready? Let's flip him over.
I gotta get out of the zone.
Ready, buddy? Whoa!
I don't want to keep getting triggerfish.
I know, me neither. Look how fat he is, King. All right, we'll do a little move, okay?
We'll get out of here.
All right, so we throw him over.
Well, he
Look how
pooped
pretty
all
his
over
tail
you.
is, bud.
pooped
Oh,
all
he did a
over
poop
Dad.
on me, look. Hey, he did a boom on me. See his pink tail? Look how pretty he is, King. It really is beautiful. Look at that. All right, see you later. He boomed all over me.
He pooped on him.
All right, King, want to do a little move? Come on down, hold on to the cooler.
Another. Why are you only catching triggerfish? What is that?
Triggerfish.
Look at his teeth, bud. See them?
Yeah.
Watch. See?
Yeah.
Aren't they neat?
They're just like my teeth.
Yeah. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye, fish. Bye, sugarfish.
You want to go in? Okay.
You want to go fish in the harbor?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's go fish in the harbor.
Will you grab him?
Uh-huh. Come on, King. Oh, we gotta start the boat. Let's go fish in the harbor. Bumpy out here, huh?
Yeah.
Too bumpy?
Yeah? Had a good time?
You can actually just go, Kevin.
How's your berries? You want to get your last one?
It's fine.
Huh?
Is this really the speed limit?
Yep. We're going the speed limit.
Turn it up.
What do you think the speed limit is out here?
98.
98 miles per hour. Yeah, here you go.
I bet this time I'm gonna catch a mangrove snapper.
Mangrove snapper? We don't have those here.
Yes, we do.
No, we
have
don't.
Snappers though.
We have
Joe.
snapper. We have ta'apa and ta'au in the harbor.
Stop. I'll just keep your foot away from me, Dee. I'll just step on you. How about that?
Ah,
Is that better?
sure.
Gave Uncle G lickings?
Yes.
Would we changing the hooks?
Yep. Because they don't like the top bottom rig here for some reason.
Yeah, they will eat the top bottom legs.
Do they eat chicken?
No.
What are you using for bait? Chicken?
No, squid.
Squid? Are you sure it's not chicken? It looks like chicken.
No, it's squid. And I just put a squid on your head.
No, you didn't.
Got him?
Yes. I just put a squid on his head, Dad.
Take the net. What are you gonna do with the net?
Watch your feet on the
Get
top.
some
It's really
bait.
hot, G, so.
Get some bait.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of bait?
The bait over there.
Crabbies?
No, right there.
Chicken?
No.
We're not gonna. I want to use chicken.
Chicken, they will never bite.
What are you gonna catch?
That crab.
Oh, I see him. Want me to get him?
Yes. Here you go.
Nope, he ran away.
Well, then if he ran away, Well, follow me. How about that one?
Oh, I see him. I get him? I got him! I got the grabby. Get him, pick him up.
Got him.
Let me see. Nice, he's a small guy.
Dad, we got a little tiny crab for bait.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Wow.
His
Something took the bait, King.
body can still move.
Here, King, you want to put them on?
And then I got all this for bait.
Nice.
King.
Oh, it came off.
Ah.
Pio got all the way up.
What kind of fish?
That fish. With the stripes.
What are you doing? No fish today. No fish in the harbor. Too much bait over there, right? They're catching sardines. So throw all the bait over there. No fish over here. Almost had one puppy-o. Oh, no fish in the harbor, but lots of crabbies. Was it fun, King? It was still fun anyways. Lots of triggerfish though out on the boat. Oh, your dad's trying over here now. Hey! Hey!
Don't run in the street.
Hey! Turtle. All right, guys, just got back to the house. We were at the harbor all morning. We were fishing on the boat and off the docks. We had a really fun time, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll have more videos coming out though, but Kingston wants to tell you something.
Don't forget to click subscribe.
Yep, that's right. We'll have more videos coming out. So if you guys like that, keep following along, right? Got his tip money. We're rich.
Chicken butt.
Chicken butt? What? All right, chicken butt. All right, say bye-bye, guys. Say aloha.
Bye, guys.
All right, say see ya. Oh, gotcha. He just got you.